Alright guys, so we're back today with another hair video. So shout out to Megalook for sending me this unit. I have not done a frontal install in a long time, guys. You guys know the pre-cut lace wigs have just been an easy go-to look. So I decided to go ahead and do a nice frontal install for you guys today. This unit is a loose wave lace front human hair wig, guys. It is a 13x4 wig cap. Obviously you guys saw the inner wig cap. It's very breathable, guys. It also comes with an adjustable strap on this one. Now they did go ahead and send me combs that I could install if I wanted to, but I didn't install the combs. You guys did notice in today's install, I not only installed this unit with the Even Wonder lace glue, they also sent me some wig tape, and I also put the wig tape on as well. I have not used wig tape in a long time, but this time around, because you know I am going to see Beyonce this week and this was going to be my Beyonce hairstyle, I figured that I would go ahead and put the wig tape on just to make sure that I'm extra secure for the concert. So the unit, I've actually had this unit installed for 3 days now. This was a same day install, so I did not co-wash this unit. I didn't didn't do anything to this unit, guys. The lace on this unit is perfect. It is a transparent HD lace. Now the inches on this unit is 26 inches long and it is 180% density. So this is like the max level. When the hair is air dried, you guys can see that the hair is very, very full. So the only thing that I really did with this unit, guys, was go ahead and customize the baby hairs. So I showed you guys in the video today how I customized the baby hairs. The baby hairs were very simple, guys. I just pulled the hair out and just cut it, and that was that. So I did not tweeze this unit. I didn't bleach it. I didn't do any of that stuff. The transparent HD is official AF. You guys can see for yourself right now, the unit looks very, very pretty and very flawless. So it's very, very effortless. Like I said, I haven't done a 13x4 install in a while, so I was kind of like, okay, let me get my bearings. I am a medium to average cap size head, so this unit fit my head to the T. Absolutely was like, okay, this is game. And one thing about the cap, I love the cap so much that it's breathable, so it's not like you're getting a cap that you don't have any air, so it's a little bit airy. I don't know if they kind of did a new construction on the cap, and I just think that it works better. Kind of similar to the caps that they're using for the pre-cut lace wigs. So I don't know, I think something about the cap construction now is a little bit different. It just gives your hair underneath more, you know, breathability. So because this was a same day install, guys, and I've been wearing this hair for 3 days, the only thing that I do with this unit is wet the unit and put a little bit of leave-in conditioner. So this is the African Pride Moisture Miracle leave-in cream. I've been using this. I'll go between this one and the Can 2. I've just started using this one, and this one is actually pretty good. So I've been using that with a little bit of water, and that's that. And you guys can see the loose wave is very, very defined. It's very, very pretty. It's just a really nice type of texture for the season in this kind of hot, humidity, 90-degree weather that we're getting in New York City right now. So I thought that this was a perfect style. I also did go ahead and use the Even Wonder Lace. I use this most of the time to install, but I also use it as an overall spray just to kind of tone down the frizzing when it comes to curly units. I'm not trying to like flatten the hair out, but I'm just trying to make sure that the curls have purpose. So I kind of, you know, sprayed just so that I could keep the style. So I'll turn around and show you guys what the back looks like, guys. Overall, I think that this unit is very pretty. It's simple. Like I said, I didn't do that much. It was same day install, so I literally put it on my head and showed you guys how I did a little bit of magic to it. But other than that, this is what it's giving. I feel like the hairline looks very realistic per usual. So I'll leave all the information down below, guys, if you're interested in purchasing this unit from Megalook hair. But do not forget, guys, oh my god, I haven't done that in a while, but let's go ahead and do it in this video. Do not forget, guys, to thumbs up this video, leave your comments down below, subscribe, and share this video with your friends and family, people, and I will catch you guys in a later one. Bye.